See those two little dots on your screen? Yeah, those aren't pixels. Those are mosquitoes in my room. And every single night during the summer, there's at least one mosquito in my room. Always. And if it's not biting me, it's buzzing in my ear at 3 AM like it pays rent. Even if you did manage to fall asleep, if you didn't apply a ton of spray, you're gonna wake up 10 minutes later from 10 different bites itching on your leg across the 3 square millimeters area. But do they even have a purpose? Does anyone actually need them? I mean, if they're supposed to have a purpose, maybe it starts with the basics. Yes, biology. How do these tiny little things multiply so fast that it feels like one mosquito in my room could take all over the world? First, we gotta look at how they reproduce. If these things are so annoying, maybe their only purpose is just multiplying? One night, I was trying to kill a mosquito, and when I killed it, a strange thought came to my mind. If they die so easily, do they have the fun things? And turns out, quick Google later, there's literally a video showing you that yes, they in fact do have it. But then I started wondering, how fast do they actually reproduce? So once again, I went to Google, and after some quick maths, apparently one mosquito can produce almost 150,000 mosquitoes in just 1 month. Yeah, that one female mosquito you see in your room can be responsible for a whole ass army in just 1 month. Okay, so they multiply insanely fast. Is there a reason for it? Why would they ever be so many of these? I started thinking, who even eats them? Do they just exist to annoy us? Turns out a lot of animals, you wouldn't believe so, but yeah, actually do rely on mosquitoes for food. Birds, bats, and fish, and even other bugs actually eat them. There's another fact that surprised me. Apparently, a few species, mostly male mosquitoes that don't really bite, primarily feed on nectar and in doing so, pollinate a variety of plants. Some of these includes orchids or orchids and some other plants like Asteraceae and Rosaceae. Even though this role is sometimes overlooked, it can help these kind of flowers so much. But why are there so many? I mean, there's millions and even trillions of mosquitoes in the world. But why? Well, mosquitoes are very adaptable. They can reproduce almost anywhere where the even small amounts of stagnant water is. That's why if you have even a pot of water in your garden, there's a high chance that a bunch of mosquitoes will appear. Even if they supposedly help the environment and give those nutrients and all, the fact there's so many of them also means they spread a lot of diseases rapidly, and that's what makes them the deadliest insects in the world. But here's a good thing. With the help of mosquitoes carrying those deadly viruses, it helps people to recognize them sooner, and that's why they're so integral to various scientific studies, particularly in genetics, disease transmission, and other stuff that otherwise we probably would know less about. Don't get me wrong though. Even if it does sound like I'm supporting mosquitoes in this video, I still hate them. Every night during the summer, I have at least 3 mosquitoes in my room, and even if not biting me, flying around, buzzing me in my ears is enough. And don't you worry, I make sure none of them live to see the morning.